The engineers that thrive at Andy's Path are of course technical, but I would say to every single technical problem that they bring an intense curiosity. And it's that curiosity that leads them to learn and understand different systems.
We have an awesome office here in Santiago. We have a culture where a lot of the team is looking to make sure that they are learning from each other, they're teaching each other. There's like a focus on coaching, on leveling each other up. A lot of the projects that we have, or a lot of the customers that we engage with, they're really trying to solve like frontier problems that are really exciting. And that's a lot of what glue this team together, is like a group of talented folks that really like hard problems and complex systems. And you absolutely will find that in Andy's Path, in our team.
The team is always so collaborative. We are always like helping each other. We're always willing to help, share knowledge, have discussions to solve doubts, discuss problems, planification issues, and anything.
We hire talent at a high level. We make sure that we hire people that have an extreme amount of expertise in their domain. We have some engineers on our team that have 6+ years of C++ development and know everything about iOS. We have other engineers on our team that know everything you could ever possibly want to know about Kubernetes. Each person brings their own puzzle piece that matches our clients, but together we all learn from each other. Some of the members of our team know a ton about quaternions and 3D geometry, so it ends up meaning that somebody might know a ton about simulation and contact and friction and how to specifically model robotics, hands and legs in walking environments. And then another person might know how to deploy that system in a parallelized way using Kubernetes to be able to run multiple different jobs used in training a reinforcement learning system. All of these things together make it possible to work with our clients in innovation labs and research centers, where each one of these environments can't take one person. It needs a collection of experts that together can learn from each other and contribute to make really, really unique software.
We have startups, we have scale-ups, or we have bigger companies. Once we assemble the team, we really connect to the real problems that they have.
What I ended up doing was take advantage of native CSS features and just create a 2D isometric grid, which gives an illusion of a 3D element within a 2D space.
And we managed to develop a platform that allowed the operator to load a point cloud very fast and also to perform very smooth using the device GPU.
It's really nourishing to get to know that part of the entire software development cycle and that you are involved in it. You get to participate, ask questions, and be actively involved in the full development cycle. We don't just focus on getting tasks or tickets done. We are entirely immersed in the projects that we work in.
There has been many times I've been proud of this team. One that comes to mind is for one of our customers, we're working in a fairly complicated domain, like in 3D. And when you're working in those complicated domains, complexity or troubleshooting is less about the code and more about the domain itself. In that particular case, I remember just walking into the room and seeing the whole team just whiteboarding the actual homogeneous transformation equations, all the kinematics equations, and it became more of a multivariate calculus conversation than coding. And they were actually able to find the root cause of the problem by going way beyond just the code piece of it. And I think that's encompassed really well, or embodies really well, what we try to do with our pods, which is have obviously good expertise of software engineering, good expertise of coding and development, but also people that get fascinating with these more technical, deep domains that pair with each other, that also the benefit of being in person and being able to do such whiteboarding exercises for troubleshooting, which is quite unique. If we have all these people co-located in different locations, that wouldn't be possible. So I think I remember that time vividly because the team was really operating as a team, just everyone in front of a whiteboard, everyone trying to understand the mathematics behind the problem, helping each other.
It really goes beyond software and talking about how we approach our systems. All of our engineers really want to dig into not just like the individual lines of code or where the bug
Right.
exists. It's not like a seg fault. It's about the underlying mathematics and the underlying first principles behind, algorithms like Mahoney algorithm and what have you. When we say complex systems, we mean things like robotics and manufacturing. We work with tactile sensors and walking robots. There's many different environments that we work with based out of San Francisco and Cambridge that are, I think, really unique for the region. That people really like working on these unique hard problems and bringing their software expertise to those new domains.
Yeah, this is a team or a place where you will definitely learn. I think the baseline is software engineering, but we go deep in a lot of these different domains. So if you're excited about learning about robotics, excited about learning about distributed systems, system at scale, things that make you excited as an engineer, a lot of what we do with our team is just to make sure that everyone is engaging and participating in that problem solving and learning over time and gaining new skills and becoming experts in these domains.